Today, you are not here by chance. Something very special is about to happen in your life, and the fact that you are reading this message now is the proof that God has something important to reveal to you. Perhaps recently, you have felt that the universe is trying to send you signals, small reminders that something greater is unfolding behind the scenes. And although these signals may seem vague or confusing, know that this confusion is about to be clarified. The secret that God has reserved for you can change everything you think about your path, your connections, and the destiny that awaits you. Have you ever wondered why certain people come into your life so unexpectedly? Some seem to cross your path only briefly, while others remain and leave deep marks on your heart. The feeling that someone in your life has a greater purpose is not a coincidence. God, in His infinite wisdom, has placed each person on your path for a very special reason. And now, it's time for you to discover the divine purpose behind a person that you can't get out of your mind. This person who, somehow, occupies your thoughts plays a crucial role in your destiny. Perhaps you have already noticed this, a connection that goes beyond the ordinary, something that stirs you at a deeper level than expected. But why did God put this person in your life? This is the question that often arises in your heart. What makes this person so different, so impactful on your journey? The truth is that no encounter is by chance, and what you are about to discover is that there is a much greater plan at play, a plan that is directly linked to this connection. Imagine for a moment that all your doubts, all the conflicting emotions you felt about this person, are not mere emotional accidents, but part of a divine plan. God orchestrated this encounter with a purpose you are about to unveil. Now, think about what it would be like to fully understand why this person was brought into your life. Every interaction, every word exchanged, every shared silence between you holds significance. There is a reason why this person seems so important to you, a reason that goes beyond what you can see with your eyes or comprehend solely with your mind. What the angels are revealing now is that this person was sent to teach you something crucial. Perhaps it's a lesson about true love, about acceptance, or even about the power of transformation. And even if this person has caused you confusion or pain, know that this pain is part of a greater plan, a plan that is shaping you, preparing you for something even greater than you can imagine. But what truly matters here is that you are not alone on this journey. God is by your side, guiding you every step of the way, preparing you to receive the revelation that is to come. The only question that remains is, are you ready for it? Ready to embrace what this connection means for your life and your future? Because once you understand the purpose of this person in your life, everything will change. Now, before you continue, close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath and feel the divine presence around you. Imagine this person, the one who has been occupying your thoughts. Imagine the impact they have already had on your life and how much this connection stirs within you. This person was sent to you for a very specific purpose, and now you are about to discover what that is. But for that, you need to be prepared. God does not reveal His truths to closed hearts. Open your heart. Be receptive to what is to come, because what is coming can transform everything you thought you knew about love, about destiny, and about the role that this person has in your life. Now that you have begun to understand that this person has a special role in your life, it's time to deepen this truth. Why does God place certain people in our lives with such a specific purpose? And most importantly, how can this connection transform your future? Get ready, because in the next part, we will explore the true meaning of this connection and what it reveals about your destiny. Now that you already know that this person was placed in your life for a special purpose, it's time to dive deeper. Every step you have taken so far, every question you have asked about this connection, is about to be answered. But for that, you need to be prepared to look beyond what seems at first sight. This person did not show up in your life by chance, and the divine purpose behind this encounter is greater than you can imagine. Are you ready to discover why? Think about all the times you tried to understand this connection. It may be that, at some moments, you wondered, why is everything so intense with this person? Why does this person seem to provoke so many emotions, so many doubts, so many conflicting feelings? It may have seemed confusing, or even scary. But God wants you to know that this intensity is part of something greater. Every emotion you felt was carefully planned to lead you to this moment of clarity. This person has something to teach you, and what they came to show you is a truth that you have not fully discovered yet. But now, with an open heart and your soul ready to receive this revelation, you'll begin to understand that this connection is a bridge to your spiritual transformation. Perhaps this person has challenged you in ways you never expected. Maybe they have shown you sides of yourself that you would rather not see, or have brought forth feelings you didn't know existed. But now is the time for you to stop resisting these emotions and start accepting them as part of the divine plan. Imagine for a moment that this person was sent to you to light up areas of your life that were in darkness. Perhaps you have faced challenges in love, trust, or even in believing that you deserve to be fully loved. But this person was placed in your path to help you unlock these areas of your life, to show you that you can indeed be loved the way you have always dreamed of. And it's not just about romantic love. God wants you to know that this connection goes beyond that. What you are experiencing with this person is a preparation for something greater, something that will transform all areas of your life. This person is the catalyst for a profound change, and although the challenges may seem daunting now, they are necessary for you to achieve the spiritual growth that God has planned for you. Can you see how much this person has made you question your certainties? How much they have challenged your thoughts about who you are and what you deserve? These challenges are not by chance. God has placed this person in your path to help you grow, to prepare you for the next level of your spiritual journey. And if you are ready to embrace this truth, everything can change. Now that you have begun to understand the role of this person in your life, it is time to make an important decision. Are you willing to embrace what God is revealing to you? This person was not placed in your life to be just another passing by. They have come to awaken something deep within you, something that you may not have even known needed to be awakened. Before moving forward, take a moment to reflect. What has this person brought to the surface in your life? What emotions have they stirred? These feelings are keys to your spiritual growth, and you have the opportunity to use them as tools to unlock a new chapter in your life. Now, open your heart. Be prepared for what comes next, because the next step of this journey will be crucial. You are about to discover not only the role of this person in your life, but also how this connection is meant to transform your future. And the decision to embrace this transformation is entirely in your hands. God is gradually revealing the greater purpose of this person in your life. But there is something more that you have yet to uncover, something that goes beyond what you see on the surface. Are you ready to discover how this person can completely change your destiny? In the next part, we will explore the impact of this connection on your future and how this revelation can guide you towards a new path. What comes next may be the answer you have been waiting for. Now that you have already begun to understand that this person was placed in your life for a divine purpose, it is time to discover how this will impact your future. It is not just about something happening in the present, but a journey that will deeply and enduringly affect the course of your life. God is preparing something great for you, and this person is part of that larger plan. Are you ready to find out how? Perhaps you have noticed that since this person entered your life, everything seems different. Something has changed within you, a feeling that something important is about to happen, even if you don't fully understand what it is yet. What God wants to show you now is that this person is the key to a transformation that you never imagined. Think about all the times this person made you question your choices, your feelings, or even who you are. It was not by chance. God used this person to challenge you to grow, to expand your view of what love is, of what is possible for your life. And if you are willing to embrace this connection with an open heart, something extraordinary can happen. Have you ever felt like destiny was guiding you towards something greater, but you didn't know what it was? Well, you are about to find out now. This connection has the power to change the course of your life, but only if you are willing to let it happen. That is why you need to pay attention to every sign, every feeling, because God is guiding you towards something much bigger. Now, imagine what could happen if you fully accept this connection. If you stop resisting doubts, fear, and confusion, and simply trust the plan that God has for you. This person was sent to show you what true love is, to challenge your preconceived ideas, and to help you see beyond the surface. What makes this connection even more special is that this person is also going through a transformation. Just as you are learning and growing, this person is also being shaped by this connection. God has put both of you in each other's path because both have lessons to learn and to teach. You are helping each other evolve spiritually, even if this is not always easy to see at the moment. It may be that sometimes, this person has frustrated you or made you question what is happening between you. But know that these frustrations are part of the process. Each challenge, each moment of uncertainty, is preparing you for a future that will be much more rewarding than you can imagine now. This connection is about more than just a relationship. It's about your growth, about the growth of this person, and about the destiny that God has planned for both of you. Perhaps this is the hardest part to accept, that the challenges you are facing now are actually the steps leading you to something greater. But if you trust, if you surrender to this plan, you will see that all of this is part of a divine purpose. Now that you understand that this person is playing a key role in your journey, It's time to make an important decision. Will you keep resisting this connection, trying to understand everything with your mind and controlling your feelings, or will you surrender to what God is showing you? Think for a moment. What has this person already brought into your life? What changes have you already begun to feel within yourself? What emotions have they brought to the surface that you may have been ignoring or burying out of fear? These feelings are spiritual keys that God is using to help you grow and prepare for what is to come. But the next step depends on you. Are you ready to follow this path to the end? Are you ready to embrace the role that this person has in your life and see where this journey can take you? God is giving you all the signs, but now is the time to act. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel what your heart is telling you. This person is not here by accident. You have already noticed that this connection is different, that it affects you in a way that no one else has managed to. And now, God is showing you that this connection has the power to change everything. Are you ready to accept this? But before taking the next step, you need to understand something important. This connection will require faith. It will require surrender. And what God is preparing for you goes far beyond what you can imagine. Are you ready to find out how this person and this connection will transform your future? What comes next is the most important part of this journey. Don't stop now, because the final revelation is about to be made. We have reached the crucial moment of your journey. All the truth that God has been revealing so far, every insight you have received, culminates here. Everything you have been through with this person, the emotions, the challenges, the inexplicable connection, was preparing you for something greater. Now is the time to act. What will you do with all that has been revealed so far? How will this connection change your life from now on? That is the big question you need to answer. The next step depends on you. You already know that this person was placed in your life for a divine purpose. But what you may not have realized yet is the profound impact this connection will have on your future. God is calling you to a new phase of your journey, and this person is the key to open that door. Think about all the changes that have already begun to happen within you. Perhaps you have felt challenged, questioned, or even confused by this connection. But know that each of these feelings is part of the divine plan for growth. God used this person to awaken something within you, something that was dormant, waiting for the right moment to emerge. Now imagine what can happen if you fully embrace this connection, if you stop resisting and simply trust that what is happening is part of a greater plan. This person has something to teach you, and in turn, you also have something to teach them. Both are on a path of mutual transformation, and if you move forward with faith, this path will lead you to a new phase of your life, a phase of love, growth, and spiritual fulfillment. Now you need to ask yourself, what is God asking me to do? What is the next step you need to take? This connection is not a coincidence. It is not something temporary. It is a gateway to a new chapter of your life. But in order to access this new chapter, you need to be willing to surrender body and soul to this divine plan. You might feel fear. Perhaps doubts are still swirling in your mind, preventing you from seeing clearly. But know that fear is just a sign that something great is about to happen. God is calling you to trust, to believe that even if things don't make sense now, everything will be revealed in the right time. And when you take that next step, you will realize that everything you have gone through so far was necessary. Think about how your life can change if you embrace this connection without fear. You are about to undergo a profound transformation, and this person is a part of it. But for this to happen, you need to be open. You need to believe that what is to come will be greater and better than anything you have experienced before. Now, the moment of decision has arrived. God has placed this person in your path for a very special reason, and now you're faced with an important choice. Will you keep fighting against the feelings this person stirs in you, or will you fully surrender to this connection and allow it to transform your life? Close your eyes for a moment. Feel the presence of God around you. This person was sent to help you grow, to show you what true love is, what real spiritual growth is. And now, you need to decide, are you ready to move forward and live this truth? Are you ready to let go of fear, doubt, and allow divine love to guide your next steps? If you feel you are ready, then now is the time to act. Now is the time to open yourself to the plan that God has for you. Take a deep breath and tell yourself, I accept this connection. I accept what God is showing me. And from this moment on, allow the transformation to begin. This journey is not over yet. What you have decided today will impact everything that follows. With each step you take, God will be guiding you. And this person, the connection you have questioned so much, will continue to play an important role in your life. What comes next may be even more transformative than you imagine. Now is the time to keep trusting, keep believing, and allow the divine plan to unfold in your life.